So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And now make sure you're on the playback tab. You're going to find your speakers, double click on it. And then click on enhancements. And then click on disable all enhancements. And then click on OK. And then click on OK again. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand audio inputs and outputs. You now want to find your speakers. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And then once you're on this, you're going to find audio, click on run. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on yes. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, you just want to follow all the steps that will come up here. Once you complete all these steps, you just want to restart your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.